Hi, this is Brandon from WatchesOnYou. Today we're taking a look at the Tissot Ballade Powermatic 80 chronometer. And first I'd like to remind you that we're here at JB Hudson Jewelers in Minneapolis, Minnesota, where this watch is available brand new for $925. And I'd also like to remind you that we'll be leaving links in the description if you want to purchase this watch, go to JB Hudson's website, or check out our channel store where we list our favorite accessories and watches. So now let's move on to this watch. So as I said, this is the Tissot Ballade Powermatic 80 chronometer, and this is a very significant watch that represents great value for money. And the reason for this is its inclusion of the Powermatic 80 chronometer grade movement. And the fact this watch is a chronometer pretty much more than justifies the $925 price, as a chronometer is extremely accurate, and usually for watches under $1,000 you don't get near this level of precision. Furthermore, the Powermatic 80 chronometer movement that's in this was developed in a collaboration between ETA and Tissot, and it has a variety of features such as a silicon bell and spring, and it also does not include a regulator, so it's set at the rate of the balance wheel is set at the factory using a laser. It's a very innovative movement. And perhaps the most important feature, aside from the fact that it's a chronometer, is that it has an 80-hour power reserve. I know of no other watches under $1,000 or probably even $2,000 that have an 80-hour power reserve and are chronometer grade movement. That's just unheard of, basically, and I would highly encourage you to check this watch out. Going over just kind of the case as a whole, though, this watch has both brushed and polished surfaces. It's a great daily wear / dress watch, which is definitely what this is meant to be. It's not really a sports watch, but it's mostly just a daily wear watch that you'd wear to a workplace or something like that. But it looks very nice. It's got a very classic look to it. It's a 39mm diameter, which is perfect. It's under 40, which is fantastic for a daily wear, in my opinion. It has a date feature, which is very useful. Again, this is just a great workplace watch. And Tissot doesn't get a lot of press, at least in the United States, that I've seen, and that isn't really deserved because this watch is fantastic. I mean, I'm surprised I don't see more people with it. Again, that movement is just exquisite for the price, and I would highly recommend it. So now I'll try this watch on for a wrist shot. And the double-the-point clasp is very easy to use. Again, this makes it more of a dress watch than a sports watch, just because double-the-points aren't really seen on sports watches. But the 39mm case size looks great on the wrist. It'll look good on pretty much anyone's wrist, even if you have a super small wrist. I have about a 6.5-inch wrist in circumference just for comparison purposes, and I think it looks great. It might look a little bit small on a very large wrist, but other than that, I think it'd be perfect. But, I mean, the way it catches the light looks very, very nice. And I love on the bezel, they have that kind of textured pattern on it, and I think it looks very, very nice. Also, I love the texture on the dial. I think that looks really, really cool. And it slightly looks like a linen dial or something like that, but all in all, it just looks very interesting and cool. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share, and also check out our channel store and the links in the description. Also, if you are a subscriber, definitely turn on your notifications so you see every video that we produce, because we have a lot of high quality content from watches such as this, which tend to be more affordable, to Vacheron and Constantin and Breguet. We have a lot of videos from Vacheron and Constantin and Breguet that we took in New York City, so definitely stay tuned for those. So thank you and goodbye.